Guys, welcome back to another video. So if you go to the GitHub right now, um, alpha 0.02, I'm gonna call it 0.02 alpha, because it's like a double alpha, because there's a lot of prototype features in it, and they're not polished, which is explained right here. But if you have the latest Java, which is 1.8, you can just download this, unzip it, should unzip the crafter jar. You just double click the jar file, and so right now it's saved like this, where it's in the worlds directory, and the only thing is world 1. And you're going to see as I mine around, it's going to get saved into the drive. So you can see that all happening. And so it happens as little as possible. I'm still working on getting it working perfectly so that there's no lag, but it's a little difficult. So basically, as you walk, it'll save .chunk files to the disk. And yeah. Also, I like how Windows Explorer is screaming chunk file. Okay, so let's build a TNT monument right here, right? Okay, that's beautiful. Let's quit the game, and let's just go back into the game. Oh, base. Up right next to it. So your player's position is saved as well. I had to create something custom for that. Not sure why. It's just a little glitch with Vector3F, but I just did a pseudo class to translate it. I don't know why I had to do that, but you know, it works. Yeah, TNT, yeah! Up base. And we quit. And we go back. Still gonna be in that hole. Let's check the disk usage. Oh my god. Why did I press the start button? Okay, so we're using an astonishing 290 to 310 megabytes. How horrific. Yeah, it's just kind of hovering around there. Oh, it's going up. Oh my god. It's out of control. Now it's just hovering around 310. And it went back down. Amazing. So now if you build something, it basically stays in the world. You can still full screen the game if you want. For some reason, yeah, my monitor's color depth actually changes to like 16-bit, so it looks super washed out for me. It looks perfectly fine on the other monitor. I don't know what's up with that. Um, hmm. I'm very tempted to explore different file structures before I release 0.02b, because I'm sure there's a more efficient file structure. Because I'm not sure if the longest array should be first, or the two shortest should be first, or if it likes to do short, long, short. I don't know what it likes. I have to see for the sake of memory access. Also, the VSync always gets shut off. Oh, man. Always tired when I make these videos, no matter what. It's just a law of nature. So this is going to be extremely helpful with creating a server element to this, because the server can handle it. The server can handle the back-end stuff. It can use the same methods, right? But hold player objects like they were mobs, basically. Then send data to the client as the player is walking around, like is currently happening, but over the network. And of course, players still work. They're not going anywhere. Or humans, I don't know why I call them players, but that's what the players are going to look like, basically. Also, I stopped the wacky head animation. Just as a pure test for the implementation of the player model. So yeah, they could just kind of fall off the world. See if we could see one just commit kamikaze. That one almost did. We need more. Oh, 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 oh. I noticed the game runs a lot better. It's running from a .jar versus IntelliJ, because, you know, I think the IDE's overhead is... Oh, we got one. It got deleted. That's hilarious. But anyways, IntelliJ's overhead's quite intense. Because even this doesn't have that extremely noticeable jitter that I get when I mine something in IntelliJ. So I think it's interfacing it to the Java VM or something. Alright guys, I'm going to go and end this video before I literally pass out while making the video, so hopefully you enjoyed this. Enjoy the release, have fun with it, see if you can crash the game in interesting ways, and have a good one.